Hello, I'm Dennis Howard, host of The Track. I'm with Brian Juroff in Las Vegas at the Topcon booth. Brian, thanks for being here.
Glad to be here.
Well, tell us what's going on with Topcon.
I had no choice but to be here. How about that? Topcon introduced a ton of new products and a ton of new solutions. And we're interfacing with our customers and trying to sell them on technology for work that matters.
Great.
Yeah.
So let's start talking about some of the technology. What do we got going on back here?
Within the framework of automation, right, we have historically been able to automate machines. But when you think about the process of the entire workflow from the start of the job to the end of the job, there are so many processes that are manual. How do you exchange information? Data from the field back to the office, data from a subcontractor to the general contractor. All of that connectivity today is a manual transfer, a manual handoff. With DCW, we have released this new product called APTIX Integration System, and what we can do is we can take the data sets coming out of the field on any type of brand machine, any type of machine, and be able to take those open architecture APIs and bring them into dashboards and assign them to projects through our SiteLink 3D, which is our connected job site, and give them real-time, up-to-date progress reports on those tasks. It's pretty revolutionary because we can also take that open architecture back into whatever scheduling plan, so you can determine where you are on the plan map in the scheduling time frame, and also back into your accounting software so you can pay out, you can bill. It's truly automating the entire process rather than just in the field. So moving over in this direction, we have our building construction, and one of the key things for our building construction business, we've got vertical construction and 3D mapping, 3D layout. We've got our GTL combination, very unique instrument. It's a combination laser scanner as well as total station. So I can not only lay out points with the total station, I can do LiDAR scanning, collect millions of points per second to get a true 3D rendering. And we just introduced a new software here at the show called Topcon Digital Layout. When you're talking about the trades on a job, sometimes some of these software packages tend to be a little bit intimidating. There's a lot more than they need. Topcon Digital Layout is a simplified layout tool in combination with our LN150, which is our three-dimensional laser, 3D laser. You can go out and do simple, highly accurate 3D layout control for a fraction of what you're doing today. They're flying off the shelf.
All right, so we got some equipment back here running on the big screen. So
this area of the booth, we're dealing with our, this is our core business, our standard machine control, survey automatic GNSS solution. So we just introduced our new MCX platform, and what's unique about it is it doesn't matter what machine type, what brand type that you're working off of, it's the same hardware piece. If I'm a mixed fleet contractor and I'm buying assets, position technology to put on in my fleet, I can take that and move that to any machine type and be able to plug in and control it optimally. Over here in the back corner, we're dealing with our compact MC mobile solution. We have been automating mainline machines for 30 years.
Yes.
When you think about the number of compact machines, CTLs and mini excavators are now being used, not just with smaller contractors, but larger, it's a standard part of their fleet. And to be able to have a price point to be able to automate these machines, we're at that point now. So what we've done is we've introduced our new LPS solution. So the same instrument, we're using 3D laser and basic layout, we have the ability to control machines. Nobody else in the world has the ability to have a 3D laser that can also control a machine. So we've introduced it right now on the mini excavator and also CTL on the attachment. So we can run them automatically on a box blade, a dozer blade, a motor grader blade.
We're excited about it. I think it's going to be great.
You demo it once, it doesn't come back.
Yeah, exactly. I think it's going to be a great product.
You're going to buy 10 more.
Yeah, I hope so. Yeah, I hope about 100 more.
Exactly right. Exactly right.
Thanks, guys. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Anytime.
Hey, I'm Dennis Howard. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please like and subscribe and follow us on social media. See you soon.
Hello.
It's going to be fun.
Yeah, it's really good. So now what do we got? We're
good to see you. Just saying hello and be able to plug in and control it optimally. Hi, Philip. How are you?